Hi guys, it's me again, Gurong Gala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood, makinig sa isa na namang performance ng paborito nating pamilyang bandang, Franz Rhythm. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa man sa aking channel, huwag mong kakalimutang mag-like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos natin. At yun nga, ang ating papakinggan ngayon na performance ng pamilyang bandang Franz Rhythm ay ang What Can I Do by The Course. Kaya naman, simulan na natin to. Let's go!
To make you love me.
What can I do to make you love me? Happy. Good night. Good night.
Nagvo-vocalize sila.
Good night.
Kinukuha nila yung pitch nila eh.
Ringin mo na lahat.
Ang galing no, ganun pala no. Kukunin mo na nila yung kinila.
Take one.
Ayan, may signal na si Master Franz. Isa to sa magandang kanta ng The Course eh.
Only here in Franz Rhythm Channel.
Wow!
Haven't slept at all in days. It's been so long since we've talked, and I have been here many times.
Ang
Yeah.
cute ni Dots mag-drum sa likod eh.
Just don't know what I'm doing wrong. What can I do to make you love me? What can I do to make you care? What can I say to make you feel this? What can I do to get you there? There's only so much I can take, and I just gonna let it go.
Bagay sa boses talaga ni Char at saka ni Kenya.
And who knows, I might feel better, yeah. If I don't try and I don't know.
Girl group din kasi ng The Course eh.
What can I do to make you love me? What can I do to make you care? What can I say to make you feel this? What can I do to get you there? Now I'm waiting no more again.
Parang lahat ng instrument kaya nilang itugtog.
Now I'm waiting no more trying.
Kasi yung mga bago nilang kanta ngayon, may piano na eh. Ito, gitara pa lang silang tatlo.
If there's nothing more to say,
Chill-chill lang.
and in a funny way I come, because the power is not mine. I'm just gonna let it fly. What can I do to make you love me? What can I do to make you care? What can I say to make you feel this? What can I do to get you there?
Ganda, ganda, ganda. Nice, nice, nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys, in Franz Rhythm Channel.
Franz Rhythm, the best talaga kayo. Master Franz, Chen, Char, and Dodds.
Thank you.
Ang galing nyo.
God bless
Perfect talaga yung pagkakagawa ninyo dito sa song cover ninyo ng What Can I Do ng The Course. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto nyo pa ng ganitong content, huwag nyong kakalimutang mag-like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Yun lang.